motivation is different. When you're directly impacting people's lives, it's very easy to see and hear that impact every day. I think that's really unique to the pharmaceutical industry and making medicine.
When things get stressful, that's where we all kind of take a step back and realize that that's what's most important, is getting the medicine to the patients.
Never had in my career something that kind of ties the excitement with the work, the end mission of what we're going to achieve, along with the impact we're going to have on people and patients, all tied into one. This is such an amazing point in my career. It's definitely the pinnacle.
When I started with Lilly, I was able to lean on peers. Anywhere I needed, I could reach out and ask for help. So you're definitely not alone, which is great because you're going to have thousands of questions.
I've worked at multiple sites around Lilly manufacturing, and every site has been through a long journey of bringing in new processes, improving those processes, solving technical problems. So there's this long history of people who know how to do that, who know how to make medicine.
The subject matter experts at a worldwide level, people that are just masters of their craft.
So when you're coming in as a new site, you know that we're going to come up with challenges, right? There's going to be things that'll go wrong. There's going to be unexpected things happen. But you have this whole network of people at other sites all throughout the Lilly manufacturing network who are willing to come help.
Everyone has their different previous experiences from either different companies, sometimes different industries, and we're kind of bringing that all together.
One of the things I learned when I was in the military is trust. I was on submarines, so you can't be everywhere at once. There's a very small crew. So you really do have to build that trust and confidence with the team, and I think we do the same thing here.
I've been a part of organizations where the values are kind of, a nice slogan on a wall, or maybe the CEO says in a meeting. The Lilly values are just evident every day. Excellence, respect for people, and integrity. I see it.
I'd say a career in M&Q at Lilly is different than M&Q and other industries, and the fact that Lilly is just immensely growing.
Learn new technologies, lead high-performing and developing teams, and develop your own team even, but then also work on really cutting-edge and new medicines to market.
It's a privilege that all of us have to be a part of this monumental time in Lilly's history of how we reach more patients.
Just an incredible pipeline. There's a great group of scientists, great group of people in the business side that are looking for new molecules.
If you're a leader who truly is motivated by the people you lead and developing and growing capability, I think there's no better home right now than Lilly in manufacturing and quality.